Hi guys, welcome. I'm Sandy and I am sick and tired of having too many strips of leftover fabric around here. It feels wasteful and it clutters my tiny sewing space. And if you have the same scrappy problem, then this video is for you. Because today I am putting my strips to very good use with a couple of fun, really easy to make projects. Now you don't need to have any kind of quilting skills or sewing skills for this one, because all it takes are strips. Simple strips of fabric we all have stashed somewhere around the house. Under the bed, in a giant plastic box under your desk, guilty. Is it in a trash bag in your garage or something? You know the stash I'm talking about, right? Let's get it. Today's video is minimum effort, maximum effect. This one is going to be really fun. Let's get to it. And here's what we need. 6 strips of one fabric and 6 strips of another fabric. Now this is 1.5 by 6 something, you know, between 6 and 6.5 inches is fine. You can go as small as 1.5 by 6 inches, but I do like to have a little bit of wiggle room for when I trim, so mine are slightly bigger. And now we will do 2 quilt blocks just by mixing our strips of fabric. Just like so. It really is this easy. Let's go ahead and sew. Time to press these beauties. Let's just press them all. How cute is this, guys? And how easy too. Nothing to it at all. And now we need to trim these to 6 inches each. And I have my brand new 6-inch ruler right here. I'm going crazy with the rulers here, guys, let me tell you, and it's kind of your fault because you just keep suggesting new cool stuff for me to buy, and I'm loving it. I mean, I had a 6 by 12 inch ruler for over 10 years, and now all of a sudden I have 3 and counting. This is actually, you know, one of the best I have. This is really, you know, it doesn't slide, so it's really awesome. I am loving this ruler, guys. You know, I have no idea why I did it like this, because I actually purchased something else. So another really great purchase I made was this rotating cutting mat right here. So this is a rotating cutting mat, or as I like to call it, a quilter's lazy Susan. You know, I struggled so much with cutting these blocks, you know, particularly when you're cutting them into bits and pieces, and I'm worried about the fabric moving or the blade just running away from me. Both of these things, that happen quite often, unfortunately, and now I don't have to anymore. I just rotate the mat and I'm ready to cut. Oh, let me give it a try. My very first cut with my lazy Susan. And I figured you would like to witness it. So we go like this, and then turn, and then we go like this, and then we turn again, and then we go like this, and then we turn again, and that's it. 6 inches ready to go. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, it didn't leave a mark, and the blade is actually brand new. I just, you know, switched it today. How many times have you heard me complain about my blade not being, you know, sharp enough and needing a new one? Turns out I had a new one in store all these months, over a year I think, and I just discovered it today. So it was kind of Christmas to me, let me tell you. I was really happy with that. So new blade, new mat, and you know, not a scratch. Very good. The only thing I wish I would have noticed was that this was in centimeters, and I usually work in inches, you know that, but I'll just add a link in the description for one with inches for you guys, okay? No worries. If you're interested in having a lazy Susan of your own, I'm pretty sure we can find one in inches. But anyway, you know, our quilt blocks are ready. How easy was that? Okay, so here's what we want to do with both our quilt blocks. We want to cut them diagonally, okay? In both ways. So one. So there's one of them. So now we have all these 8 pieces and we are ready to play. Let's see, what could we do here? So we could oh, I have a yellow one right here, so we could just do it like this. And actually, no, it would be more like this. Like this. And then we would finish our block off with this. Ah, pretty. Ooh, that's so pretty. I like it. And how easy it was to do this. I mean, look at that. This is really, really awesome. Now, let's see what else. We could do it, you know, the other way around. Like this. Oh, that's cute. And then we just fill it up like this. Ooh, look at that. That's gorgeous. So that's 2. What a couple of strips can make, huh, guys? Look at that. That's really, really cute. What else can we do? Let me think. Let me put this in the right position. I keep changing the position. So, kind of across, right? And then we just complete it. Just like that. Look at that, guys. That is absolutely gorgeous. And of course, you know, we could make just like this. You know, if you wanted to make smaller blocks, we could just get them all together. And make 2. I mean, right? It's right here. So this is like this. This one, we could maybe switch it up a little bit. Oh, that's cute too. So yeah, I have lost count how many we've done, but we'll just keep doing them. Let's see, what else can we make here? So I'm thinking. Maybe we do like a cross, a proper cross. Something like this. Yeah. And then we go ahead and add the ends. Just like so. And you've probably noticed by now what the whole point of this video is, which is to show you that it doesn't need to be complicated. It doesn't need to be hard. It doesn't need to be, you know, super skillful. All it takes is a couple of strips, a dozen strips to be more precise. You just sew them together and magic happens, okay? I can go on, I will go on actually. So let's see what happens if we mix these up like that. We get the original one, right? But then we can just go ahead look at those. Oh, these ones are kind of, yeah, it's best to mix them up. So yeah, look at that. That's actually really cool. Now let's see what else can we make. Good. Switch it around like yeah, that's kind of cute. Okay guys, guess what? We are done here. If you have any other variants you'd like me to try, let me know and I will do that for you for sure. Guys, can we all just agree that this was the easiest video ever? Sometimes you just need easy and fun, right? This is it. You can do really stunning, really awesome, really original things with simple strips of fabric, simple scraps. You don't need to build like complicated quilt blocks with, you know, weird names that most of them I don't even know what they are. You don't need to know a lot of stuff to make awesome quilt blocks. That's the whole point of this video, okay? You can do simple, you can do easy, and it can be stunning. Maximum effect for minimum effort. That's what this video is all about. Guys, thank you for doing this with me. I had a blast. I hope you did too. And I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.